The Pagani event here at Grand Center Terminal. I just found out about this event yesterday, and then now we're here today, and I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a Zonda F, which is the first Zonda, the gray one you just saw there. We have a Huayra BC roadster, and then we have another Zonda roadster. I think it's the Marque. And then all exposed carbon, I think a Zonda R and a lot of other ones. And there's a Zonda cheap, only 2. So there's only 5 roadsters and 5 coupes built of the Cinque, and this is number 2 in red. So this is a Zonda Cinque. This is the car that I probably know the most about here out of all the Zondas, just because I played with it in Need for Speed, and when at the time that it came out, I was like just learning about Pagani, so I don't know. It was like perfect timing. I learned a lot about it. Like I said earlier, there's only 5 roadsters and 5 coupes in the world. It's still powered by the AMG V12, and this is probably the one that I would drive out of here right now. There's only 5, and the impact this car makes in person is unbelievable. Being that it's painted red, literally the red that is painting all the exposed carbon fiber in the interior, exterior, everything. The seats, everything. I would drive this car out of here right now. The exhaust, this is the first Pagani, at least here, out of these 5 cars that I've seen with the ceramic coating, so that's what makes this one even a little bit more special. Yeah, so in this exhibit they have all the history of Horacio Pagani, when he started in Lamborghini, when he did all the carbon fiber work at Lamborghini, including the Kunststoff carbon fiber. Then when he left, started his own company. He was supposed to start the company with Juan Manuel Fangio, but he passed away in an accident. Then he had to move on, and then, you know, obviously where he is today, basically the rest is history. You know, engine, V12 Pagani, but it's an AMG engine. Still one of the best engines in the world. To show like where he started from. This is a Zonda F, like one of the first cars he made, the first models he made, and look at how much detail and carbon fiber, like all the wheels of the carbon fiber, like they match, they go with each other, even in the interior, everything. And it's a manual with a Mercedes naturally aspirated V12 in the back. This is a Zonda. Look at the doors, the interior. You can see right under the steering column that it's all carbon fiber under there. The pedal box, everything. This is one of the cars that they're unveiling, the Huayra BC roadster. You can see from the carbon fiber in the rear engine cover, like there's like slots where the air can come out and stuff like that. And then the mirrors, a lot more carbon fiber, supposedly a lot stiffer because of all of that carbon fiber implemented into the chassis. Just insane though, like the speedometer, the tachometer is made by a watch company. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I can't believe these cars are here. Like, just look what's separating this little line, and then that's basically it. Like you can almost touch it, but I don't want to. I want to, but I don't want to get in trouble. I've seen one of these cars before at the auto show, but it was a coupe. It was a BC coupe. It wasn't a roadster. But the signature titanium quad tips at the back is just ridiculous. To the Zonda R, which is like when they were done with the Zonda before they started with the Huayra, they ended the model, they sent it off with this like hardcore track version. It broke the Nürburgring track record. I still don't know if it qualified as a production car, but it definitely went faster at the time than I believe a lot of the other cars that were setting lap records back then. You can see it's like bare carbon fiber, like as raw carbon fiber as you can possibly get. V12 NA AMG engine, I mean, unreal. So this is called the Zonda Barchetta. It's one of three, and I don't really know as much about this one as the other ones. I know about the Zonda R, the Roadster BC, the Roadster, the Chinga, but I don't know that much about the Barchetta. But I mean, one of three definitely deserves respect. There's only 3 of these in the world. I don't know if they're all painted in this color, but still see the signature titanium exhaust and everything, carbon fiber, and the intake plenum for the, I don't know if this is a twin turbo or this is still the NA one. I think it is because it's not the Zonda, but we'll take a look. You have the gold push rod suspension arms there, all the custom fabrication, and that intake just says AMG, Zonda Barchetta, AMG. And look at the intake plenum, look at that. Carbon fiber painted. Look at where that goes into. The engine right there, the airbox. Unbelievable. The amount of are unbelievable. There was another event today. This event that was free actually. The event is free. You didn't have to pay anything. All you had to do was show up to Grand Central Station and just walk in. I thought they're gonna ask you for like money for like tickets and stuff. You just walk in and see the cars and you can leave whenever you want. Right now it's like 6:30 almost. So they close at 7 and it's time to go. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. It was just to show the exhibition of Pagani here in New York City, and I hope you like the video. If you want, you can subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.